Hello there, good people. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Again, you've tuned in to Doxology Creations. My name is Natalie. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you are aware when I do post new content. If you are a returning subscriber, however, pick up on yourself. Let me tell you guys, let me pull over and park here for a second. Let me tell you guys, I have been noticing that there has been an increase in the amount of subscribers on my channel, and I'm not going to lie, it's very encouraging, and I thank you, each and every one of you that took the time out to subscribe. A special thank you to you guys. You guys make this thing possible. If I was just making videos and no one was watching, at some point it would get discouraging. You understand? I mean, I love makeup, but I mean, come on, you know, I'm only human. So yeah, what's the deal with this look? Well, I wanted to give you guys neon green. That was the inspiration, neon green. And then I remember that I have some Suva Beauty water activated liners that I have not necessarily used on myself. I used it once on a client, but that's really it. So I haven't necessarily used it on myself. I was like, okay, you know what, let me just give the people a tutorial with this product. So yeah, today I'll be featuring the Suva Beauty Hydra FX liner right there, here it is. And today I'll be using the color Fanny Pack. It's water activated, so it never really dries out, and that's what I really like about it. I bought multiple colors, but I will just be demoing the green one in today's tutorial. I mean, on incoming videos you will see me use more of this product in the other colors that I do have. Anyways guys, we're going to get into the video. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back to this part, guys. I already did one eye off camera, so I'm gonna start with the other eye. I'm starting out with my Juvia's Place, the Tribe palette. It's the only palette I'll be using tonight. Honestly, I won't be doing a lot of mixtures tonight at all. Starting out with the color Ashanti, kind of pack Ashanti on my lid. Going to put Ashanti literally all over my lid. I like this color. It's my first time using this color out of this palette, you know. Like a nice olive color, not too green, but it does have an olive undertone to me. I'm gonna feather that out with Masai. With a clean brush, I'm gonna just blend out the corner or the crease so that there is no harshness. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a wing. To start my wing, I'm going in with the Inglot eyeliner gel, the color black or the number 77. Taking my eggshell angle eyeliner brush to apply that. The color that I am using is Fanny Pack. So it is water activated. I already put water on the tip of my brush and mix it in. I'm going in with my Tatcha while I wait for my lashes to dry. I'm just using one of the lashes that I've used before. I'm going to reusable lashes. A 6-pack that I got, not even 6-pack, 2, 3, 4, 5 pack when I get on Amazon. For foundation today, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty, and this is in the color Chocolate Mousse, and it just smells really good. It smells so delicious. Oh my goodness, it smells edible. You know, honestly, when I bought this foundation, it was a little bit too dark for me. With the contour and highlight, to rectify itself. Ooh, a long time I put on Huda, and Huda, I'm not gonna lie, I missed you. I missed you a lot because you're going with a lot of things. Okay, so to cancel out my dark circles, since I did not color correct. I'm going in with my Juvia Place I Am Magic foundation. No, I Am Magic concealer in shade 10. So I use it first to conceal out the dark circle, and then I'm gonna go over it with my highlight color, which would literally be like 2 shades lighter. So my highlight color is gonna be shade number 12 from Juvia Place concealer, the I Am Magic. And for contour shade, I'm going in with the Namibia. That's the foundation stick from Juvia Place. Buff out my contour. So I recently got my foundation sticks from Juvia Place. They had a BOGO, guys. They had a BOGO. A BOGO on foundation. So you buy one, you get one free. It was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sale. So I got a lot of their products, more so for my kit, because I really like their products. I've been using it now for a while. But the foundation sticks, I find that they're very creamy and they're full coverage, so it's nice to blend. Like, it blends out nicely. Personally speaking, would I say I am a fan or a big fan of cream foundations? It all depends. It all depends on the weather. Weather for me has a lot to do with it. If at the end of this month I do take a trip to New York, let's say on that trip I'll be taking my cream foundations. Why? Because it's a little bit colder. My skin reacts differently in the cold as opposed to Florida, that's always hot. Structure my nose contoured it. For setting powder, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r setting powder, and I'm using the shade Honey. So I thought initially that the Kalahari in Juvia's Place was comparable to the Honey, the Pro Filt'r, and I was wrong, because the Pro Filt'r will leave underneath my eye looking like really dry and ashy. And then furthermore, personally speaking, I don't really bake a lot. I'm not really a part of the baking trend, because even though I have oily combination skin, with all this powder, I don't want to look like one ghost. And I've had that experience before. I'm going to look really pale even after putting on the setting powder. I just never like it. So I'm trying not. I'm not going to lie. Even though I use these other setting powders, die hard, I'm a Laura Mercier translucent powder fan. Like, die hard, because that bad boy just hold up all day. Speaking of which, we're going to go in and set our other. I'm gonna set the contour. I just set my face all over with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in a medium deep. Just setting the face all over. I'm really feeling this green liner. Oh man, who knew? I didn't know it would come out so well. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes in life, I'm kind of scared for trying new things now. Sometimes, certain things, you know. So I'm really trying to. Personally, I'm at that place in my life where I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone. Not only in makeup, but just overall. You'll never reach anywhere in life if you stay in the comfort zone, you know. So yeah. So I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm gonna go over the white with the actual color. So I'm going in with the shade Tootsie from my Tri palette, Juvia's Place Tri palette. I'm gonna go work that on top of that white. Yeah, I'm going for like a green neon type of look, you know? Alright, I'm gonna put on Big Eagle on my bottom lashes to kind of elongate them a little bit. I thought about putting on falsies on the bottom of my lash, but I can't bother. I really like how this is coming out. For blush, guys, I'll be going in with the color Aroma right here in that same tri palette. I'm very determined today to just use one palette to complete my look. I'm always in different palettes, usually, for most of my looks. I just think really orange cheeks look really nice with this green eyes. Hey girl. Yes girl. So, be using the Absolute New York Pro Bronzer in the color Dark. I'm just placing that in the area that I contoured. I'm going to put some of that bronzer on the contour of my nose to give my nose that chiseled look or that slimming look. Okay. I buff that out a little bit. Don't want it to look like super unnatural. So I'm buffing that out a little bit. Royalty 2 by Juvia's Place. Highlighter, it's more on the golden side. See what I mean? Yes, girl, yes. See what I mean when I say it's golden. Right. Yes. Go shorty. It's not my birthday yet. Not yet, but we making plans. God's willing. God's willing. Yeah, I'm actually gonna pop a little bit of that color Royalty 2 in the inner corner of my eye. You know, I mean, it's not right if it's not there. Hey girl, who are you? You're looking real cute. Yeah, my name is Natalie. What's yours? My name is Natalie too. What you say, girl? What a coincidence. We share the same name. Alright, no, guys, all fun and jokes aside. Let me go into the liner. And I'll be wearing, or I'll be applying this dark brown liner from LA Girl. It don't have a name, you know. It really don't have a name. It's just dark brown. So I'm going to be dark brown. I'm trying to figure out what lip to go with this look. What lip would actually complement this look very well. And I'm thinking more so something more on the dark side. See? The liner kind of act like a lippy in a way. So I'm going in with my NYX Liquid Suede. It's gray. So we're gonna take a little bit in the middle. Oh bye, beautiful people. This is the final look. Allow me to tell. Let me set my face. Going in today with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Now this is the final look, guys. So I have completed this look, and again, it's my first time trying the Suva Beauty liner in any of my tutorials. Honestly, it's my first time wearing it. I purchased them a couple of months ago, and I used it on a client, and that was it. I never really used it. It was just kind of always in my drawer. So I decided, you know what, let me do something a little bit funky tonight, or funky for this video, so to speak. And yeah, there you have it. And I really like how it came out. Like, it's a one with things. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the look. What's your favorite part of the look, if you have a favorite part of the look. Let me know also in the comment section if you've used the Suva Beauty liquid liners. They're not liquid liners. the Hydra FX liners that are water activated. Let me know in the comment sections. Let me know, you know, tips and tricks. Not to say it was difficult to apply. It was relatively easier than I thought it would have been to apply. I just need to get more familiar with it and practice a little bit more, but I like it. I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. Anyways guys, until next time, see you. God bless guys.